Storm warning!
This is a statement from the
They finally toned it out.
For the following counties in Virginia: Augusta, Central Virginia, Blue Ridge, and Nelson. Winter storm
9:46, and they issued it at 9:31.
Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations of 1 to 3 inches, and ice accumulations of around 1/4 of an inch. For the
Oops. Oopsie.
And Central Virginia, Blue Ridge. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturday. Impacts, power outages, and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. Additional details. Precipitation is expected to begin as a mix of snow and sleet between 4 and 7 a.m., then change to freezing rain between 7 and 10 a.m. Precipitation may change to rain late in the afternoon before ending during the early evening. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight,
Food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
When venturing outside,
Watch your first steps taken on steps, sidewalks,
and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury. The current time is 9:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Double header. Kind of. Oh, finally!
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following
I was about to say, are they gonna do a double header like they would do?
Blue Ridge, Page, Rockingham, Shenandoah, and Warren. And
Oh my sakes!
Berkeley, Eastern Mineral, Hampshire, Hardy, Jefferson, Morgan, and Western Mineral, and the following counties in Maryland: Central and Eastern Allegheny and Extreme Western Allegheny.
Is it on the radio?
Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturday. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations of 3 to 6 inches, except 1 to 3 inches over the lower elevations of the central Shenandoah Valley. Accumulations of 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, with the highest potential for ice over the central Shenandoah Valley and northern Virginia Blue Ridge Mountains. The areas affected include portions of western Maryland, northwest and western Virginia, and eastern West Virginia. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: plan on slippery road conditions. Additional details: precipitation is expected to begin as snow between 7 and 10 a.m. The snow will mix with and then change to sleet and freezing rain between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. over the central Shenandoah Valley and northern Virginia Blue Ridge Mountains. Precipitation may mix with sleet elsewhere after 1 p.m. before ending during the early evening. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle
In case of an emergency.
When venturing outside, watch your first few steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury.
Another triple header. It's probably not gonna happen.
The Charlottesville, Virginia climate summary for yesterday, January 4th, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature was 47.
Let's see if they do it.
The normal high is 47.
Yeah, this is my streaming laptop.
Yesterday's low temperature was 33 degrees. The normal low is
Streaming the link in the description.
Precipitation.
Hey, I think we hit EAS number 4. I think we hit EAS number 900. Yeah, there it is. 9:31 a.m. Did we eat? I cannot talk this morning. I basically just woke up. No, but we're at EAS number. We're at number 9899. Just one more.
South Central and Southwest
Yeah.
Virginia.
Winter storm warning.
Weather conditions are expected from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: Untreated roads and sidewalks
Do that.
will become slick and hazardous. Bridges and overpasses will be most susceptible to ice. Ice accumulations on
Okay.
trees and
8 hours. Wow.
result in gouty limbs and scattered power outages. Plan on poor travel conditions. Reduce speed and allow extra time to reach your destination.
Oh, winter storm warning.